going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new video, and finally I got my dbrand skin teardown. Now it's in a new package. I haven't seen this package before, but I'm also super excited to open the package because I left a special instruction for dbrand to write a note to help motivate me so I could reach 100,000 subscribers. But without any further ado, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also drop a like if you enjoyed the video. But without any further ado, let's unbox this thing and see what Jerry rigged on this design. Let's go. Alright. So I told them to send me some motivation. I don't know if they're gonna send anything. Let's put this right here. Nope, they didn't send me anything. That sucks, but we have this thing inside. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna install onto our devices right now, guys. So that's all we got. This is it right here. We also have the camera film cutout as well, which is pretty good, but we didn't get an all-around design because I ordered this one. We also have the dbrand microfiber cleaning cloth, and this one looks really big, like it's bigger than the ones I've seen before, and the typical dbrand packaging. So yeah, let's slap this onto our iPhones and let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so normally when installing a skin, I usually use a microfiber cleaning cloth, but dbrand also provided one, so let's go ahead and use that. Another thing that I like to use is a hair dryer or a blow dryer, but since we're not gonna like use the flaps or in the corners, it's just a simple back plate. There's no need for that today. So this is it, guys. This is all we get. $24, limited time. Let's go ahead and install it. And no, I did not watch any videos on how to install this. I'm literally just installing it like a G. But I'll just recommend you guys to line up the camera modules first. Alright guys, so it took some time, but it's installed. And the first thing I would say is that it feels slippery. Right? It's not like those normal dbrand skin that we're used to that has like this nice grippy texture. It feels slippery and it feels like plastic in my opinion, but it does look good. I'm not sure if it looks that good on the gold models. I'm assuming it would look better on like the black one or the midnight green, but yeah, this is what it looks like. We also have the lens thing that we're gonna put on as well. I probably should have put it on first, so let me go ahead and do that. And so far it's looking pretty decent. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it down below. It's definitely looking good. To see the whole internals of the device, or what's supposed to look like. I kind of like the camera cutout as well, but it just doesn't feel that grippy like that dbrand that we're used to. Okay guys, so I've been using the skin for about like 45 minutes to an hour now, and I just like thought about some questions that I think you guys might have. And the first one is it available? And I just checked on the dbrand website. It is not available. It was like an exclusive limited time offer, but you can request the skin. So if a lot of people are backing the skin, dbrand will probably drop it again. Another thing is that you might be wondering, does it work with wireless charging? Yes, it does work with wireless charging. Another question is, does it fit with most cases? Yes, it does fit with all cases. I've tried all my cases. I have a ton of cases. I have Rhino Shield cases, Apple cases, and yes, they fit, no issue. It does feel a little bit tighter on some cases because of that extra, it's not even that much, but there's an extra like percentage of size on the back of the device, so some cases might feel tighter, but some cases you wouldn't even know it's there unless you take off your case, of course. So yeah, overall I think it's a really good skin. Shout out to everyone that copped this and had this limited quantity drop. You can't get these again for now. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like down below. If you want to see more dbrand videos, I have a dbrand playlist with over 6 videos of dbrand skins if you want to check them out. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.